guys, welcome back. My name is Animesh. Big question today is, should I own a credit card? I would say yes, not one, not two, but three credit cards. Hear me out. As you progress in your life, right? So imagine you just passed out from college and now you're starting your first job. What you have to do is apply for a credit card. Okay? Get a credit card of minimum. So for example, let's say it has a limit of 50,000. You set a personal limit of 10,000 to it. All right. This credit card should only be used for all the shopping that you do. So online shopping, Amazon shopping, credit card electricity bills, water bills, whatever bills that you pay, you have to pay with this credit card. After 2 years down the line, when you have a good credit history, because you're paying as soon as you incur the bill, you don't wait for the end of the month, immediately pay it from debit card. The purpose here is to only create a credit history, right? So this is the first step. After 2 years, get a good credit card. This credit card will only be used for personal and big amounts. This will not be given out to the internet. That means the first credit card you gave it out to the internet, right? So you entered this credit card number everywhere, because while doing a payment online by card, you have to give the number, right? Number, expiry, month, year, and so on. So this information is out there. That's why I told you the first credit card that you have should only have a limit of 10,000. So you're restricted. So for example, if some fraud happens, it does not happen usually, but imagine it happens, you're covered up to 10,000 only. So your risk limit is covered. Second card, this card has to be having a limit of, let's say, 2 lakh, 3 lakh rupees, maximum limit what you can get from the bank depending on your income, right? So this credit card has to be only used for, let's say, big purchases where you are going there personally. So for example, a fridge, right? A fridge usually comes at 90,000, 80,000, 50,000, depending on what fridge do you buy, right? So this fridge that you're going there personally and buying should be done through a second credit card that you bought. The third credit card, this credit card should be used for international transactions, currency translation transactions that you use. Generally, I would assume, for third one, you have an option of either going with an Amazon Visa card, which will be again, universally accepted. It has different perks of its own. Or you go for American Express standards, or Citibanks and those kind of credit cards where they are also internationally accepted. You can change the country whenever. So for example, like me, if you travel elsewhere, so currently I am not in India, right? So if you are abroad, so that way you can do your international transactions anyway easily from this credit card. So this is the third credit card. Why do we need to have credit cards? First reason, credit history, I told you. Second reason, there are so many deals out there which we are not actually, taking into account. For example, free petrol, free cashback, right? 10%, 20% cashback. Usually you find it everywhere, but we don't make use of it. It is a big saving if you look at it in the long run. So definitely I would encourage all of you to get at least 2 credit cards, starting from first credit card, as I mentioned, smaller limit, and then go for a bigger limit.